Okay, y'all, this is my boyfriend. He's like snoring on the phone. He kind of like, he was talking to me, and then, you know, he told me he was tired, and he kind of actually fell asleep. But, yeah, listen, it's my phone. My sister. Oh, yeah, that's me. Oh, I love him. She can't tell, just see why I love him. Hey, let's see. Hey, y'all, we're gonna try to wake him up.
Yeah, blow on the phone. That's really gonna wake him up.
It works. Hey.
I don't think so.
Baby. Okay, it didn't work. We're gonna stop this now.